Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit your design in Canva. So once you've ordered your template, the one that you've decided that you want to purchase, you are going to get a portal similar to this. It will have your design pictures here to show you what you ordered. And then what you'll do is you'll click right here where it says click here for template. And then it will take you to a page similar to this. It'll let you know it's created by us, and you can go ahead and use the template. Once you click on Design Template, you will then have the option to do just that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is if you like this color, you can leave it. However, if you want to change it, you definitely have that option. So I'm going to go ahead and go with a darker pink, and then I'm going to make our background clear, gray. So in order to change the colors, what you have to do is click on the text that you want to change. There's going to be a little A at the top of your screen right here. You click on it and then you can select any color you want. If you don't like any of the colors here, you can type in a color, or you can click on the color wheel and drag this along and pick. For the background, you just click on the background and then you'll click on this box in the top left corner. It says background color. I want to make it light gray, so that's what I'm going to do. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to the back and you're going to make these same changes so it all matches. Okay. For text, I want my text to now be black, so I'm going to do the same thing. This darker. The icons, you also can change the icon colors as well. You just got to click on each one and make sure you fully change the color for all of them. So this code you can customize as well. You can say so. You can leave it like this, or you can edit it. For this part, just go ahead and add your thing here. If you want to leave it lowercase, you can. If you want to make it capital instead of having to erase it and then do it all over, you can just go up to the top and click uppercase, and it'll make it uppercase for you. So that is everything you want to do. Our designs do come with multiple colors in each one for most of the designs, so you can pick one of the ones that we have here, or you can completely change the colors. It's up to you. Everything here works the same. If you wanted to add your logo, you do have the option to do that. Just go down to your logo down here, click on it, and then place it in the corner. It's completely up to you. You have full reign to do whatever it is you would like. And if you wanted to download it, you go to the top of your screen. There's a row missing. You will see home, file, resize, the name of the item, and then there will be a share link as well as a download link. You're going to click on the download link. For these, I would recommend printing in PDF print, and then you will select the two that you are printing. If you're having more pages, and you just select those as well. And then what I always recommend is downloading with crop and bleed marks, so that when you download it, I'll show you in a minute, download it, it'll have these extra marks. So if you're putting it in Canva, or if you're setting it to a print shop or anywhere, they will know that these are the lines outside of your design, and it'll help you align it more better.